Did improve later in the weekend, Michelle, for some of those fireworks displays to go off. So that was certainly good news that we broke out of that disgusting weather pattern at the start of the weekend.
Yeah, it didn't really feel like a hot summer weekend, though. Our temperatures were below average. Now today, we've got the hot weather back. In fact, the National Weather Service is just issuing a heat advisory for some of our inland areas this afternoon. You can see the Providence County area up through northern Bristol and Plymouth counties in Massachusetts under a heat advisory from this afternoon until tomorrow evening. That's where we're looking at the heat index climbing into the middle and possibly some upper 90s. So summer's back. That's going to lead our three key things with the hot, humid air. Do have that threat of a thunderstorm this afternoon along with it, and some of those storms could be strong. We're watching Elsa, the storm going to be making landfall in Florida first, but it could be giving us some rain and gusty winds by more rain and rough surf rather by the end of the work week. And then next weekend looks seasonably warm. Typical temperatures are back, but it does come with the threat of a stray shower. So here's Elsa this morning. It's a tropical storm with 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds moving to the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. It'll move northward, kind of paralleling the west coast of Florida over the next day and a half before making landfall tomorrow. It looks like in the northwest part of the state. So we've already got some tropical storm warnings up for much of the Florida coastline. There's the track right now. So this is through 2 p.m. on Wednesday. You can see it making landfall during the day Wednesday and then racing up across the southeastern United States. So it'll be weakening when it's over land, but it could briefly re-strengthen as it makes its way past our area. Right now, that cone of uncertainty has it anywhere across New England to well south and east of our area. So impacts at this point would be mostly rain and rough surf. As we look at our live camera in Newport, bridge lit up in honor of Independence Day, the red, white, and blue. Thunderstorm on our local radar has been weakening, but some rumbles across Franklin and into Rentham, and that's going to be pushing south and east. That's a warm front coming through. Upper 60s to around 70 degrees. It's warm. It's humid out this morning. Mid to upper 60s for the dew points. That's going to push those feel-like temperatures up into the middle 90s this afternoon away from the coastline. So it's going to warm up quickly with a mixture of clouds and some sunshine. Our temperatures will be up close to 80 degrees by 10 a.m. and by noon around 84. And those afternoon highs today with the threat of a late day thunderstorm will be near 80 along the coastline. But notice Wickford close to 90, upper 80s and lower 90s in Woonsocket, Johnston and Providence. Hot and humid with that late day thunderstorm in Seekonk and Attleboro, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So let's talk about the thunderstorm threat. Mentioned the risk of some severe storms. It's quiet still at lunchtime, but late afternoon and evening, that's when we're on the lookout for those strong thunderstorms. Ones that could contain some heavy rainfall, some damaging wind gusts, even some hail a possibility. This is at 11 o'clock at night, so that activity winds down once the sun sets. Highest risk for some storms as well inland, north and west of Providence. At the beaches today, we're looking at partly sunny skies, a moderate rip current risk. Air temperature at the shore near 80, and on the bay, we do have a small craft advisory. Our winds today are going to be breezy, gusting to 25 knots. It stays warm and humid tomorrow. Highs back up near 90 again, then cooler on Thursday with the chance of showers. Watching Elsa for Friday. Again, could deliver some rain and some rough surf.